This is Josie. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, and welcome once again back here to my channel. My name is Josie. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and that subscription button down below. Subscribe and always be notified when I upload another awesome video. Today I am going to show you guys how to make an awesome centerpiece, and it's perfect for today's weather here in Southern California. We are going to do a centerpiece of herself, Miss Elsa, and we're trying a new technique today. It's not new, we're trying something different other than the regular tissue papers I usually tend to use. We're going to use this, I think it's called like xylophone. I will leave everything I use down in the description box, guys. Please read the description box. A lot of you guys want to know where I get a lot of my stuff, and usually it's down below in the description box. Usually, don't quote me on it, but we are going to do this. And if today was a shiny day in Southern California and not a gloomy day, it will be shining so pretty. Now, before I continue and show you guys how I did do this centerpiece, I want to show you guys an absolutely new find that I found. As you guys know, I use scissors 24/7, scissors on my life. I even kid around sometimes and tell people that my fingers are super strong because I cut all the time. Now, I was using different kind of scissors. I always tend to look for new scissors one after another. I try some, I don't like them, and I end up with about, maybe I have a good, I'm not gonna lie you guys, 8 pair of scissors laying around the house all around, because I just can't seem to find one that I like, or I like one for one certain thing and then I like the other scissors for another thing. It's just all over the place. So I do have a lot of these. I think the most I have paid was $12 for a pair of scissors that I wasn't happy, but I did do some research. I started Googling and I found these awesome scissors, guys. Yes, they are rose gold plated, and the blade is stainless steel. And I simply love them. And if you guys know me, I am so rose gold right now. Everything in my life revolves around rose gold right now. So these are made by Uncommon James Home, and they cut, I mean, the precision of this cutting is just amazing. And this is what comes with it. It says, you know, thank you so much for your order with Uncommon James. We hope you love your new items as much as we've enjoyed creating them. And then it talks about leave a review on Google or Yelp. And the website for this, guys, if you guys want to order the scissors, is uncommonjames.com, and I'll link it. I'll put it right here on the screen. But these are $19 plus shipping, and let me tell you, I'm like beyond in love with these scissors. My husband was like, those are pricey. I'm like, but you don't understand. I already can tell the quality is very different. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear the sound of it compared to, you know, I'm not putting any other brand on blast, but, you know, these go dull quickly. I have to start sharpening them a lot, which costs money. But these so far, I've had it now for a little bit over a month, and I just cannot rave enough about these. So I'm going to link the website down below too, and you guys could purchase these. These are absolutely amazing. Like I said, this one is rose gold plated, stainless steel blade. I love it, by Uncommon James. And I don't know if you guys have seen me use it a couple of times, but can you guys hear that? Oh, it's simply amazing. So these are my new scissors. You will see me using them now on all my videos. Absolutely love them. Go over to the website and buy your pair and tell me what you think. Now, on to our video. I'm going to show you guys how to make this awesome centerpiece for Miss Elsa Frozen. Let it go. Let's get started. Hi friends, let's get started. So I already went ahead and painted the box. I used 3 coats, I believe, to get this kind of blue. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this roll of rhinestones. I'll have a link below of where I get these. You can get them in my shop. And I usually just take a big chunk. Oh wait, let me tell you about. I'm using the scissors, guys. The ones I was telling you about. Absolutely love them. And more with this project that I'm doing with the rhinestones. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut them. Easy cut. And I think for this I'm going to use 2 rows or maybe 4. And when I say rows, it's usually the strands. So I'm gonna do, you know what, let's do 2. So I'm gonna cut 2 strands all the way up, and that's gonna go on top of my box. And there you guys have it, the 2 strands of rhinestones. And as I mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue them on the top. Okay, so that takes care of the top side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut another 2 strands of the rhinestones, and then I am going to go ahead and glue those to the bottom of the box. Okay, so we have the rhinestones on the top and we have rhinestones at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and glue my styrofoam square to the box. That way by the time I need to put the dowel with the image, it will be nice and dried, and it will be stuck better than if I were to do it right away after I glue. So I'm going to take this stencil number 5, and I'm going to get my image of Elsa, and I do always link what kind of paper and printer I use in the description box. And I'm going to use this glitter sheet. I'm going to hot glue Elsa and then glue it to the glitter sheet. Now I'm going to take my awesome scissors and I'm going to cut around Elsa, but I'm going to leave that little edge, the extra edge, so Elsa is surrounded by glitter. Now I'm going to take the stencil, the number 5, and I'm going to lay it backwards on the sheet of glitter. I'm going to trace it, cut it, and I should have a perfectly number 5. Awesome scissor time! Now I'm going to take my 5 and I'm going to glue it to the box, and then I'm going to take my dowel, measure my image, put glue at the bottom of that dowel and stick it inside the styrofoam box. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're gonna take this I don't know how to say it, but it's not your typical tissue paper. It has this little like rainbow little glare to it, and I thought it would look super cool because it kind of reminds me of icicles or snow or just ice itself. And I think with this theme of Elsa, this will look super cute. Now what I'm gonna do is I have this old hole puncher, and it's supposed to be snowflakes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and attempt to hole punch some of these. This is an old hole puncher, so you know that's why it's not working as it's supposed to, but when it does work, it looks something like that. I think I'm gonna add 2 on each side, and that should complete the centerpiece. And there you guys have it, Elsa from Frozen centerpiece. It is so shiny, so beautiful, just like Elsa herself. Hope you guys enjoy. Till next video, bye.